Basic English speaking class.
Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English speaking class. Today, we'll focus on introducing ourselves and engaging in basic conversations. Let's get started.
Oh yeah, I'm so excited for this activity.
To begin, let's practice introducing ourselves. I'll start. My name is Miss Jassica. I'm the instructor for today's class. Now, let's go around the room. Please introduce yourself. Share your name and something you enjoy doing in your free time.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I enjoy reading books.
Hello, I'm Alex. I like playing football.
Hi, I'm Fiza. I like to listen stories and share them with my friends.
My name is Jack. I spend time in playing cricket.
My peer name is Sarah. She likes to playing with duels. Her good habit is sharing things with people. She does not like math subject.
My partner name is Jack. He is good at playing football. He has many friends. He likes different Asian dishes.
Thanks for watching.